Welcome, my name is Robin and this is my channel. I have a new box to my channel and it is called Woman's Collective. I don't even know if I seen any YouTuber unbox this channel or if I just happened to stumble along on it. So you want to see what's in it? Give me a second. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this channel and its content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And as always, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for sticking it out with me. And I've got so many new boxes, so stick around for those. So again, this Woman's Collective, I don't even know how I found it. I will leave a link and how much I paid for it because I don't even know. Can't remember, but I got it. It went through its sanitation process and it's ready to be unboxed. It's got this great diverse cover to it. So I think it's a made by woman, for woman type of box. So it should be ready to go, but it's giving me a hard time. Oh, there we go. And it comes nicely wrapped. It says hello beautiful, and it has, look at this nice card. So that's really nice. And it says thank you. Oh my God, it's like customized. It says, Robin, thank you so much for your support. Welcome to our community. And it's got a little heart and it's from Rochelle. So already it's just a personalized box. You gotta love that. And it has a card and it's the Spring Box 2020, so it must be a quarterly box. And it goes into About Us, what they do. I remember they did, you know, like donations and causes and everything. And then it's got the products that are in the box. So that's kind of what attracted me. I do a lot of makeup subscription boxes, but now that it's getting hot and I'm gonna, well, hopefully be traveling back to Washington, I don't wear a whole lot of makeup. I've got some makeup on today. You probably can't tell, but I started to get away from beauty boxes because, you know, I get a lot of mascaras, I get a lot of eyeshadows, lipsticks, etc. And I don't really wear them because of the heat. You can just take your fingers and kind of take it out. And I wanted to get into more lifestyle. I will still get some of my makeup boxes, but not as much. I'm gonna get my clothing boxes, but I wanted to get into more lifestyle boxes. So I hope you stick with me because I'll still get some makeup boxes. And so I was checking them out and I like the fact that they donate, you know, their money to causes. So let's see what we got in here. So the first thing, and of course it says thank you. It's made by Mayberry, Rachel Skidmore, owner and creator of Mayberry Vintage at Gmail. And they're earrings. Let's see if you can see them. And what I like, I'm gonna open them. I have pierced ears. I had them pierced when I was younger. It didn't work and I had to have them re-pierced, but I can only wear really light earrings. So I'm very particular. But these earrings, they are post, but I don't know if you can see. They're not very heavy. Because some of the ones that are like this, like they weigh a ton, and then, you know, my ear will be like this. But these are really pretty. I'm hoping you can see. And they have kind of like a little design on them. So these are really cute and fun for the spring and summer. So let me know what you think of those. And they're handmade polymer clay creations, stainless steel nickel plate, and they're made by Mayberry. So those are cute. And the next thing in the box is a candle. Empowered toasted fig, brown sugar, and sweet amber. Soy candle made in Oklahoma City. How nice. Wow. It smells like breakfast. So this is, and that's the wick. Of course, I know you can't smell. One day they'll come out with that. But it's a nice size candle. So far, loving what I got. The next thing is kelp. I thought it said kelp clay mask by Nash Jones. Moderate power mask to exfoliate, deep clean, and nourish skin for normal skin types. That's the box. Sorry, there's glare. Don't want to break it. And it's got my popsicle stick spoon. Remember those? Or not the, when you took the ice cream. Probably some of you don't. Oh, it's a mixer. It's a cooker. It's got the mask, and I'm assuming, yeah, mix 1 tablespoon or teaspoon of dry powder with 1 to 2 tablespoons of warm water. And then you put it on and you avoid your eye area. This is like the second one I've got where you have to make it yourself, but that means that it will be fresh. And of course it's got the stirring spoon. So I kind of like that. And where was this made? It doesn't say. So that's a nice. Then we have stickers. I guess they're stickers. Women Rise Together and Women Empower Women. So those are cute. And ooh, this looks really nice and heavy. It's a planner. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday planner. And I don't know if any of you watch Nancy Rounds' channel. It's just how it sounds, Nancy Rounds. And she does unboxing, Stitch Fix, all sorts of unboxing. She does beautiful jewelry. She does the smell. I forgot what it's called. But she does planner unboxings. Not just, I think she does the Erin Condren, but then she also gets sticker planners for her books. And I'm gonna leave her link on my channel. And it just cracks me up. She gets these beautiful like stickers. And I was watching hers last night, and she goes, oh, and this is great. So you can plan for like 2 weeks out. I'm thinking, I can't even plan for like tonight. And she's like, oh yeah, and it's great. So if you want to plan for 2 weeks out, it has this great kit. And she's just so adorable. And she lost like a ton of weight. I don't know if she's going to ever tell me her secret. But she lost a ton of weight and her clothes fit her just beautiful. But she does everything. And I believe she lives in Michigan. So sometimes in the summer she'll sit outside on her patio. But you just have to watch her channel because if you like planners, she just does a phenomenal job. And I don't even know where she has the time because again, she does on clothing. She does, I can't remember what the name of the jewelry, but beautiful, beautiful jewelry. So if you have a chance, check her out. So I took it out of the packaging because I can't wait to see it. Oh yeah, this is just beautiful. It's got weekly plans. So I'm gonna have to see if she has any stickers lying around. It's got your monthly budget plan. Now I've gotten planners and they'll have like your exercise and your diet. Those I don't use. Yeah, those I don't use. But this is an absolute beautiful planner. I haven't seen one in a box like this. And so this I think I'm gonna keep. And have to put some stickers. Of course, I'll need a magnifying glass because, as most of you know, I can't see. So I love this planner. I want to say this box is maybe $45 or $50, but it had like finer pieces in them. And then looks like the last thing in this box, oh, it looks like kind of a wallet. But I highly recommend this box. If you like the lifestyle things and higher end, this is definitely a nice box, and it comes quarterly. I just opened my cause box, and we got that purse in there, and I got the honey color. And this looks like it might look good in this. A little darker than honey. And I don't know who this is by. But look at this. It's got the card. I guess you put the different cards. So you put your cards in here, maybe your driver's license. And it's got the little tassel. But this is absolutely beautiful. Or you can put cash in there, like when your husband or boyfriend gives you some money, you can stick it in there. So this is absolutely beautiful. So that was the last thing in the box. And let me just look at the book that they gave you. So leave comments below. Let me know what you thought, because I said this is new to my channel. And I don't think it leaves prices, but again, these are made by women-owned companies, and the earrings come in several colors. But there's no prices in here, but I will leave a link if it's something you'd like to order for yourself. And the candles come in different colors, and there's websites on here as well. So I will leave everything below. So yeah, just leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this box. Again, totally new to my channel, but I think I will definitely get it next quarter. So as always, you guys have an awesome day, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up.